every employing organisation will, as a minimum, be processing the personal data of their employees, consultants, interns and workers. And responsible employers will make sure that they have got processes and policies in place to ensure that that data is being processed compliantly right the way through the employment life cycle, from application right through to termination.
We know that this isn't an easy task, so we've put together materials on our HR Data Essentials site. Here you'll be able to find all the information you need to help you be compliant when you're processing employee personal information. We've organised this useful information based on the employee life cycle so that you can quickly get to the information that you need.
We have also included a country comparison tool in case you need to see how you might need to adapt global or regional policies differently based on the country.
HR Data Essentials will include videos and podcasts. The videos will give you an overview of the different HR data themes, and the podcast will take deeper dives into those same topics.
We will also publish relevant articles and run events throughout the year, so please do make sure that you check our News and Events tab to see what's going on. We hope that you'll find Bird & Bird's HR Data Essentials helpful, and if you have any queries or we can help in any way, please do get in touch.